everyone. This time we're going to be attempting a single pin pick. It is this nice brass Matlock. I've picked a couple of these before. This one is a 3094, as you can see there. It's a long shackle. A nice lock. There is your keyway. See, I threw the pin there, you can see that on pin number 1. It does come with working key. It is a 6-pinner. It does have security pins. It's not key retained or anything like that. That's it locked up again. So alright, there's the bitting on the keys. Let her focus. Maybe not. Nope. See, it is a 6-pinner. There they are. I'm going to use top keyway tension, Peterson pry bar, reasonably moderate tension, and Peterson 18,000 short hook. As I say, you have to get in there these things, you can't be sort of chicken about it. You're pushing through the pins, you sort of have to get into them. There's pin number 5. Clicking pin number 1 that was. Clicking pin number 2. Clicking pin number 6. Another clicking pin 5. Clicking pin number 1, and that's us open. There you go. Well, that's your your Matlock. Sorry, this camera is wild today, it's playing me up. That's your Matlock 3094, single pin picked. Thanks again for watching, folks, and take care and all the best. Bye bye.